Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Here's one that's a little different for you, a 66 Chevy El Camino. It was body off the frame restored in the early 2000s. Good condition, got all the great features to just get in and cruise. Overdrive, crate motor, air conditioning. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures, get the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. For right now, let's go for a spin in this El Camino. Yeah, it was body off the frame restored, and I did say it's driver quality, so it's very nice. It's much better than average. It's not a $100,000 show vehicle. The floors are all solid. Looks like they did replace some floor pans. They did a nice job. The inner rockers and quarters are all nice and clean metal. The motor, the oil pan, the transmission pan are painted the color of the car. The starter looks new on it. It's an overdrive 700R4 automatic. I think it's a 12-bolt rear end, but I'll double check it. When I write the ad on our website, I'll tell you what rear end it has. Nice new dual exhaust system with turbo mufflers. The suspension has been rebuilt, so the front end was gone through. Shocks, has coilover shocks in the back. The fuel tank looks new. It does have a disc brake conversion in front. The emergency brake cables look like they're hooked up. The body's real nice. It has some custom painted on details here. Very smooth, by the way, slick. It's like looking into a mirror. It's a nice purpley raspberry color. And yeah, the sides of the car are actually really straight. Smooth along the bottom. That door fits spot on. There is a chip in the paint right here. But yeah, this is really nice. Really, really nice and straight. It has bow tie mirrors on both sides. Windshield's new. Something must have happened on the hood. There's some blistering in the paint on the hood. The guy says been that way for many years, hasn't gotten better or worse. So there are some splotches on the hood. But again, this side is really straight, exceptional. Clean and smooth. Yeah, that's all real nice. Fits nice. Quarter panels are real nice. The trim overall, original bumpers. The front bumper is straight, dry, but it's got freckles. The rear bumper is dry, but it has a couple of dents in the bumper. The grille looked really nice. The trim looks really nice. Has a tonneau cover on here, of course. Inside the bed is all painted the same color. It's very nice. They didn't take out every single dent or dimple, but it's solid. It's painted nice. Includes a car cover, and there's a spare. Bottom of the tailgate is completely dry, clean metal. And it functions nice. The latch works good. Rally wheels, 15-inch wheels. They look like they might be the Corvette rallies. They're a little bit wider. BFGoodrich tires. Door opens and shuts real nice. Door jambs are painted real nice. The weather strips look new. Door panels and armrests still look new. The carpet, the upholstery, the headliner, the visors, the mirror, all still look like new. The dash was painted, to match the car. New chrome inserts, bezels, vents. Has a tilt column. Has a real nice digital, not digital, but a lit up shift indicator because they changed it to an overdrive, so it lights up, tells you what gear you're in. Has the vintage air, heat, and AC controls, and chrome vents. And I'm saying the interior is new. That would have been new at the time of restoration. So new in regards, it still looks new. Very nice in here. Bottom of the hood, the firewalls all painted nice. All the black is nice, smooth, clean metal, painted real nice. The radiator, the shroud, the fan's been replaced. I looked up the casting number on the motor. It's a Goodrich crate motor. It's a 350. It's got an Edelbrock intake, carb, HEI ignition. It's got stock exhaust manifolds. So it's not a race car, but it's got plenty of power. It makes some good sound. You'll hear it in a minute, and just drive it all day long. That door too. I love it when a door opens and closes like that. That's beautiful. Door jambs are real nice. New weather strips. Behind the seat, I see an amplifier for the stereo. Why don't we fire it up for you? I mean, this is a practical vehicle. You can get in and drive this all over and still go to the cruise nights and car shows. Put the air on, you got the overdrive, you throw your stuff in the back. I can give you 1,000,001 uses for this one. The battery's bolted down properly. It has a disconnect switch on the battery. Got 2 gauges down below the dash, oil and temperature. Motor's quiet as can be. There's not a tick or a noise coming from up here at all. All the wiring is all very neatly run. It's power steering and brakes. Has the hood insulation. And just on the hood, something must have contaminated the hood. So just the hood can be painted. You'd have show quality body and paint. Looks like it's a power antenna. That barely gave that any effort at all. There you have it. Here's a nice runaround vehicle for someone. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. I just gave you my honest impression of the car. If you have specific questions or concerns, feel free to ask them. They can also help with the delivery and the financing. That's at volocars.com. If you just enjoyed watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.